I like trains.
Hello, everyone. Well, we might have a potential train meet because this train is passing right now, and I was watching the northeast cam, and there was an eastbound passing right as this was approaching. So we could have a meet. Don't know the symbol. The last one I thought was IO17. I don't know. But yeah, there's going to be an eastbound mixed freight coming up really soon. So we can have a meet here. There's a solo CM44, I believe. CSX is picking up again. There was a little bit of dead time, like an hour and a half, and looks like we're back to some action. Yeah, this one's going really slow, so I think we're gonna have ourselves a meet. Yeah, for sure. This one's very long. This might be I-169. I think that's a intermodal symbol that goes through here. I don't know. And the eastbound manifest can be anything. It could be like M634. That might be what it is. I have no clue. M368, I think. We're gonna find out in a little. Well, we'll find out what this eastbound has on it. Oh yeah, here it comes. Here it comes. We got a train meet. There it is. CM44. The intermodal is basically bare tables now, so let's pay attention to this manifest. I was wondering if we were going to get a meet today, and well, there you go. And you watch, something's going to come on Norfolk Southern. It's going to be a triple meet here. I've never seen a triple meet. I've seen many double meets. Or I guess that would be a meet. Green tankers, never seen that before. And the last car of that westbound just passed. Lots of lumber, boxcars. Lots of Tropicanas. Rear DPU. I think those were sister units. I'll have to rewatch the footage. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for future content as always.